Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply transfer your USDT from the OKX mobile app to your Binance. It's quite easy. All you need to do first is make sure you have an OKX account. And if you do not have an OKX account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim $10,000 worth of welcome bonuses and gifts as you register and verify your account. So guys, with your verified account, simply head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll from the overview to your funding or your trading wallets, depending on where your assets are. As you can see, I have on my funding, but none on my trading, no assets on my trading. So now all I need to do is simply click on this USDT, select the withdraw option, and by selecting this withdrawal option, you're met with the withdrawal methods you can use. We're going to be working with the on-chain method and then enter an address and the amount. Don't forget about the network. So guys, for this, we're going to be working with the BEP20 network. Simply scroll down. And if you do not find the BEP20 network, you can work with the TRC20, the Polygon, the Avalanche, Arbitrum One, Optimism. So let's go with the Polygon network. Minimize and open up a wallet of your choice. For this, we're going to be working with Binance. So guys, in order to make use of Binance, you're going to need an account here as well. And if you do not possess an account here, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT when you register and verify your account. So guys, your next step to withdrawing from your OKX to Binance is selecting the deposit icon, which is just here. Once you've selected deposit, select the USDT and simply scroll and find the Polygon network. As you can see, the Polygon is also available on Binance. Select the Polygon, copy this Polygon address, and once you've copied the Polygon address, minimize, open up your OKX, paste the address there, and select the network, which is basically the Polygon network. Enter the amount you wish to send. Let's say I have 100 USDT. I'm going to be paying 0.8 as the fee, and then click on submit and your USDT would then be sent. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can transfer USDT from OKX to Binance, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.